in order to become a developed nation in the next 25 years. The vision of India in the Amrit Kal era would require a critical transformation in its primary sector, agriculture. The development paradigm within agriculture needs to transform from agriculture to agribusiness, with the employment dependency on agriculture being suitably addressed by skill development and absorption in the emerging agribusiness sphere. The food processing subsector will be centric to this agricultural transformation pathway. NABARD has been at the forefront as an important stakeholder in the food processing sector, playing a vital role in infrastructure creation for the food processing industry. Thanks to the Green Revolution over the last 5 decades, in bracket 1970s to 2020s, bracket close, India has moved from a position of scarcity to surplus in terms of food production. Agricultural production in India has consistently recorded higher output, ranking first in pulses and milk, second in vegetables, fruits, wheat and rice, and third in cereals, eggs in world agriculture. With increasing production and supply of raw materials, India's food processing sector in recent years has been known for its higher growth, thus increasing its contribution to world food demand every year. Currently, India is processing less than 10% of its agricultural output, thus presenting immense opportunities for increasing processing levels and leading to immense investment potential in this sector. With about 70% of households still dependent on agriculture for their livelihood in India, this sector provides huge employment generation potential as well. In this background, the food processing sector has been recognized as a sunrise sector and a key priority industry under the Make in India initiative led by the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, and is being promoted aggressively through fiscal and monetary incentives. During the last 5 years ending 2020-21, the food processing sector had growing at an average annual growth rate of around 8.38% as compared to around 4.87% in the agriculture and allied sectors. The food processing sector has also emerged as an important segment of the Indian economy in terms of its contribution to GDP, employment and investment. The food processing sector also constituted as much as 10.54% and 11.57% of the gross value added in the manufacturing and agriculture sectors, respectively, in 2020-21. Although there has been increasing demand for processed food and ready-to-eat food in India, the share of the food processing industry in overall GVA has only been 1.88%, as against the share of manufacturing at 17.86% and the share of GVA in agriculture at 16.26%. Stop.